Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize build KPIs dashboards with Retool step by step clearly. To begin, open the Retool application on your browser. Log in to your Retool account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard section. Click on the Create New Dashboard button. Give your dashboard a descriptive name related to build KPIs. Select the layout that best fits your data visualization needs. Add a new component by selecting from the component panel on the left. For build KPIs, you may want to use charts, tables, or text components. Drag your chosen component onto the canvas. Next, connect your data source by clicking on the resource. Choose the data source where your build KPIs are stored. Set up any necessary authentication for the data source. Click on Create a new query to pull in the relevant data. Use SQL or the appropriate query language to fetch your build KPIs. Test the query to ensure it returns the correct data. Once confirmed, bind the data from the query to your selected components. Customize the appearance of your dashboard components as needed. Use the Properties panel to adjust settings like colors and fonts. Add any necessary filters to your dashboard. This allows users to manipulate the data views. Preview your dashboard to check the layout and functionality. Make adjustments as necessary to improve usability and clarity. When you're satisfied, click on the Save button. Your Build KPIs dashboard is now authorized and ready for use. Share the dashboard with your team members by adjusting the permissions. Ensure that everyone who needs access has the appropriate permissions. Monitor the dashboard regularly to keep the data up to date. Consider adding automated data refresh schedules for real-time insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.